Okay, I don't know how much of the other, got the story in, but it was an hour, 16 minutes. I don't know how much time we'll have on this one, because it kind of cut off, but it did save the video, which I'm very happy about. But anyways, on the yellow slide, while we were there, everyone was begging me to howl, so I howled, and got an answer, and I was so happy that day, because, well, after getting answered, we all shot up everything up there, and because I'd never been answered by anything in here. When I would give whines or yips or barks, they would answer, but when I howled, I wouldn't get answers. But that day, I did. And I was just so happy. And this here's the basketball court. Now, I was about between that tree and that one with a baby bird in my hands. Just a couple days old when someone threw a stick and told me to turn around, and it hit my eyebrow, causing me to bleed and giving me my first taste of blood. Now, over on the fence over there, I can't remember exactly where, but if I remember correctly, it's about there. There used to be, that's where the robins every single year would put their nest. Every year. Someone cut down the branch. And I was great friends with the robin family that lived there. They'd always let me do basically whatever with their chicks. And they'd still raise them. Now, this here, this used to be an opening to get over there. This used to be an opening to get over there. And this is now the only opening to get over here. Now I'm going to kind of force my way in a little bit, because I want to see if they've changed it yet again. Oh my gosh. They did! Someone took my rant to heart. This here. Oh, there's two mushrooms over there. Anyways, this fence right here, it was never here to begin with. And I'm going to go back the other way now, because I don't live there anymore. And I don't want to intrude too much. But, so, the time before the last time I was here, the, people from Fenner took and they put fencing over that hole. And that really pissed me off, because the entrance is all the way over there. If there's a fire that breaks out somewhere in between here, and you're over here, you have to go all the way that way. And what if the fire, you gotta go all the way that way, and what if the fire takes and cuts you off? You've got no escape anymore, because they blocked that off. But I don't know who, but thank you to whoever it was that cut that back open. Just thank you so much, because yeah, there's literally no other way to get out if a fire were to break out. And the kids there and families there, they do like to come over here, and it's a blessing to have that their little opening that they can get in here and just relax. Now this bench it was a bit further, used to be a bit further back. And I'm kind of going down this path a little because another human. Anyways, it used to be right about in here, with a bunch more trees around it, bunch more growth, and if us kids were at the playground or that, we'd slip in here and we'd use that there as our little toilet, because we didn't want to go back inside yet, because we knew if we went inside, it was likely we'd get trapped by our parents, which wasn't always a bad thing. But here's the thing. Nobody at all was allowed to go past this bench. You could come from the opening right there to the bench. You couldn't go that way. You couldn't go further that way. You could only come to this bench. However, thanks to my daddy, I was allowed to go further. Well, technically I wasn't allowed, but I would because, well, after a while I was allowed, but I would go further even when I wasn't allowed because the kids would bully me and they weren't allowed to go past the bench, the potty bench, basically. So this was basically my sanctuary, and I was always safe in here. Like, I'd even crawl in there to get away from them. And oh yeah, you can hear the stupid cars. Couldn't think of what they were called. Anyways, you can hear them here because of how close the path is to the road, which I don't exactly like, but hey. What? Oh, nope. I don't think that's a turkey. Could be. But anyways, yeah. So, across the road from Fenner is a graveyard called Mount Hope Cemetery. Now, somewhere along this fence, and I can't remember exactly where, you can climb over to get out. It's not exactly easy. I've done it a couple times. Not the easiest if you're fat, like me. And yes, I will call myself loud. I will call myself fat. I will call myself obese. I'm not gonna sugarcoat the truth. I'm fat, I'm obese. I need to lose some weight. That's one of my goals. And also part of why I'm walking. Again, even though my feet really are starting to hurt quite a bit. But I'm not gonna give up. I'm just gonna keep a walking, and I'm hoping before this here video ends, I can show y'all one more place before I leave Fenner Nature Center. And I'm really hoping that there are at least one or two ducks or geese or something. Oh, I love this here little thing. So, this here tree is still rooted. However, it's now a little limbo thing. Now, if I were to put the camera to my eyes, right where my eyes are, mosquito tried to get my nose. Okay, anyways, this is where my head is. So, yeah. It comes to... Anyways, comes to just under my chin. I'm not sure if you were able to see that or not. But anyways, just bend a little and you're out on the other side. And good, we're still recording. Because the video cut off at an hour 16. I'm going to be constantly checking that. Because I really, really, really want to show y'all this final spot, at least before the video ends. Because, like, in here, you can see during usually late spring, early summer, quite a few deer beds where they've laid down in that. And it's just nice to see. And you'll also find, oh, cool. Now this, I wasn't hoping to find, but I am so glad we came down this way. Oh yeah, cool plant. But this, I don't remember exactly what type of seed this is, but it is spiky. And the inside here, let's see if I can get it to focus. Yeah, that's furry on the inside, but spiky on the outside. So furry on the inside. If you know what plant, what type of seed comes in there, please let me know. Because I think it comes from, oh yeah, it does. It comes from this here tree. You can see it does have on it, right there, those there seeds. And you can see them down here too. I am very curious as to what type of tree this is. And yeah, anyways, so you can find usually right along here there's a snake or two about every other time I come. Either that or it's along that there path. But we're gonna take this one and hope, I'm gonna go climb, we're gonna hope the animals are still here. I'm trying to walk as quietly as possible. That was either a rabbit, squirrel, or chipmunk, I'm guessing. Squirrel, I think. Anyways, we'll go over here first. I think I heard a duck. Someone didn't clean up after their dog. Don't like when people do that. You're supposed to clean up after your dog. Especially someplace like this. They go potty off the trail, that's one thing. But almost directly on the trail is another. You can see where some animals have been digging over here. down there. Doesn't look like there are any over here, but just want y'all to see just how awesome this here. When they keep the water clean, you can see under the water, especially here, and it's just awesome. Like, so awesome. Now then. Oh, there was something over there. Either that or just bubbles. And I need to quit being stupid and hanging my phone to the side. But isn't it amazing how you can see? The water is so clear. You can see right under it. It's just amazing. And if you come during the summer and the spring, you can see tons of fish in there too. And tons of ducks and geese and all that. It's just awesome. And yay, we're still recording. Oh, black squirrel. Not sure if I caught that. Anyways, that's just the outlook. There's still, because that leads over here, and just the view coming out onto it is awesome. Oh, let's see if I can get a close-up. There is a mallard right there. Yes, I think that's a mallard. It's a duck, that's for sure. Female. It's got brownish coloring. Okay, let's zoom back out. Okay, so when I was younger, I would climb down here, catch frogs. And so you can see signs of this here, and you might not believe me, but those brown spots under the water, oh my gosh, hang on, gotta kind of pause it here, kind of. Now, let's see if I can get the sun in here. Yeah, right there. Let's put it over here. So, the sun is reflecting right there. Now, I'm kind of pausing it here because you can see both under the water and the reflection of the trees above. There are tons of leaves down there just coating the bottom of the water. It's so pretty. And then over here is the other side of the lake. And it's a bit harder to see underwater over here because of the angle of the shade and that. Wait a minute. Oh, just my umbrella and that. Oh my, that is one giant dragonfly. I love them. Anyways, I'd climb down this here little, well, big fallen tree go a little ways that way here, catching really big bullfrogs. And then I'd come over here, walk along the edge here, catch tons of bullfrogs the size of my hand. It's just awesome. And then these roots, I don't know if someone painted them or something, but they have that white silvery tint, which is very pretty. Yeah. Vines going up the tree and that. I was hoping for a few more animals. Preferably water dwellers. But oh well. Anyways, yeah. So, oh yeah, this here, it's so cool. Like, all those twisted trees. So pretty. Oh, hey, another feather. That makes 4. In a second, let me see if I can get you on video. Okay? Right there. Grasshopper. But anyways, you can see the stupid building over there. And I'm not exactly sure what time it is, but I'm gonna go ahead and I don't see any more deer or wild animals or that. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here and head back to the shelter. Because, yeah, my feet are pretty tired, and I kind of just want to go to bed now because of how tired my feet are. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed these 2 videos, since this will be basically a part 2 to the other one taken today. And I named the other videos that I took the other day parts 1, 2, and 3. And I'm gonna do that for the days I do video. So for that day, it came out in 3 parts. For today, it's gonna come out in parts 1, part 2. And I'm actually gonna edit the titles to include the date that I posted them, / did them, because sometimes, pretty good belief, because sometimes, I'm not able to upload them the exact same day, because the videos sometimes like to take forever to load. So, yeah. I hope you all enjoyed watching Fenner Nature Center. let's go. Let's do these in chapters. We'll call them chapters. So, the one I did the other day, I don't remember the date exactly. We'll call that chapter 1. And we'll call this chapter 2. Just because I'm separating them in parts. Because of when the video ends. So, I hope you enjoyed chapter 2, parts 1 and 2. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, whatever. Just do pretty much whatever you feel like. Thanks for watching. Oh! We were talking about this not that long ago. Right here is a deer bed. I love deer beds. Anyways, I hate humans. Ugh. This is someone's pad paper. Gonna take it with me to throw away. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please, if you do have watched fully and didn't skip the stupid rants at the beginning of part 1, please do give me feedback on those. I do want to hear your opinions. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a good day, I guess. I'm still trying to get the hang of saying bye at the end. So, bye-bye.